Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this cute snack / accessory holder using a plastic shot glass and a plain glass dish. So I'm spray painting the bottom of the dish as opposed to the inside. You can give this 2 coats if needs be. Spray paint my shot glass. And here they are, all spray painted and dry. Always double check on the tin of the spray paint how long you should leave your items to dry. So I'm using E6000 glue to glue the items together. So I'm going to be gluing the top here as this is going to be the base for the holder. I would usually use my hot glue gun, but as it's really thin plastic, I thought I'd use the E6000 instead. So you're just going to push them together in the centre there at the bottom and push down and let dry. And here we are, a nice chic snack holder. You know, you can use for your tray styling, you can use for just holding accessories. Here's another one I did in white gold, so you can see the difference there. As I say, you can use this for food, accessories, jewellery, and it's cost effective too.